just going to make a basic macaroni and cheese. Show you how I make my macaroni and cheese without fresh grated cheese. It's just the budget friendly macaroni and cheese, regular dinner macaroni and cheese. I use thyme, scallion, butter, black pepper, a little bit of condensed milk, some full cream milk, and I like to use this mac and cheese. I like the Kraft, but I like this more. So it's just something quick and fast. So let's get right into it. So pour it in the pot and stir. Okay, so this is when I usually go in with the thyme. I usually go in with fresh thyme, but we're using the dried one today, and I just decided I'd add some garlic, because why not? I'm a garlic fan. So yeah. Point to note, I usually had a piece of Scotch bonnet to it because man, I just like everything spicy. So yeah, but I'm out of Scotch bonnet. I'm also out of dried Scotch bonnet and out of dried cayenne, so you gotta make do with what you gotta have. Okay, so I just strained off the water. Now I'm just gonna come in with some milk, about half a cup. Then I'm gonna come in with the scallion. Come in with the scallions and the butter. Butter, and just stir that around. Yum. Then I'm coming in with the chives. I really love the flavor of chive. Then I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of condensed milk. We don't want it sweet, we just want it to have a hint of sweetness. So that should do it. So I'm gonna come in with my cheese. I like this cheese powder too. Yes, mamma mia! Ooh, you see that? Just adding my black pepper now. Yum. That's not a lot of black pepper. It just looks like a lot. It's not a lot. Yummy. This is just too beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Quick and easy dressed up box mac and cheese dinner. Yum.